Hello everybody, it's been a while that we brought you something. Hope you guys have been good. So today we are doing the unboxing for the Nokia 3.1, an Android One device. So this is how it comes in the box. So as you can see, Android One, Nokia 3.1, up to date Android. Okay, then we have a 5.2 inch full HD screen. Okay, no, HD plus screen with the 18:9. That's the new aspect ratio, which is on the longer side. Then we have an octa-core processor, which is supposed to be a MediaTek processor. We have a 13 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, and a 2990 milliamp battery. So let's dive into the box and see what we have in the box. Okay, this is the device in white. Let's put this aside. We have the SIM card ejector. Then we have some paperwork here, and on this compartment we have the earphones. We can then put this on so that it could put up at the side. We have the charger, which is a 1 amp output charger, and the normal USB, micro USB. So let's keep this aside. Now Android One is coming up. So as it boots up, this is how the device looks. It has a single camera on the back. Then we have the Android One branding on the back. That means you should get quick and fast updates. This is already on the Android 8.0 software. Then as you can see, the screen is stretched out. Okay, I've set this guy up before so that I could give you guys a quick breakthrough of how the phone operates. So it's starting. We have our front camera, our proximity sensors, and the earphones. Then we have one microphone at the middle, one speaker, and a micro USB port. On the side we have the power button and the volume rocker, and on this side we have the SIM card slot, which can take 2 SIM cards, and the slot for memory card. So the phone is still booting up. Okay, now I'm coming and putting my password. Okay, now this is the interface. Clean, pure stock Android, nothing there. It's smooth, it's fast. You have your normal Google assistants, everything you should expect from an Android device is here. And it being an Android One device, you're going to get pretty fast updates, no slowdowns. You shouldn't, but this is a budget device, so you shouldn't stress the phone too much. And if for build quality, it feels very strong, very nice, and it's actually very light, and it's a beautiful device in general. So that's it for the unboxing. We'll get you the review as soon as we can put it up. Thank you very much.